Merry Christmas, friends. Okay, so we are going to be talking about possibly the most sought after Christmas item at a Walmart, which everybody and their grandmother will be looking for these specific gift sets. And we're going to talk about like what's included and a little game plan on how to get all your ducks in a row for the biggest savings. So typically the day after Christmas, which is December the 26th, that'll be Thursday this year, all Christmas merchandise, there might be a couple items, but the gift sets are always included. They will be 50% off. So a gift set that was 10 will be 5 starting on December the 26th. Now, if you look it up in the app, the problem with that is if you have a third party seller, somebody in Florida selling that same gift set for, I don't know, $22, it's not going to be the $5 that we're discussing. So you have to go in store for these deals. And then typically the next wave will be the first. It's either going to be 75 or 90. I've seen it go 90 before on the first, which is fantastic. But in the last couple years, between the 6th and the 8th, the Christmas merch hits 90% off, which is the sweet spot. So this Dr. Teal's gift set that has the Epsom salt and a bubble bath. If you see where that arrow is, $5. So starting on the 26th, it'll be $2.50. And the best way is to go to the store and actually look for it. They'll either have it staged in a section or it'll be in the Christmas area or on Endcaps, but I'll show you some visuals of that. Now, to get this on the cheap, if you are a user of the app IBOTTA, Walmart is one of their stores where you can get a gift card. So you would just get whatever you're getting. And then if you have like $25 in IBOTTA money, that would be your budget. But it's a way to really get this stuff on the cheap. And for the most part, I will let you know from my experience, because the value of these gift sets, and a lot of people gift them, like they're super popular, won't be around for the 75% off. Maybe there'll be one straggler that shows up, but typically, after that first day on the 26th, there's nothing left at most Walmarts. So you're going to either find them at the front of the store where they will migrate them all to one section, or you'll find them in that Christmas aisle where, there's a couple aisles of nothing but glorious Christmas. And even at 50% off, like because there's coupons included or some of the sizes of these products, there's a lot more product in it. People typically go really hard for them. Also look for them on end caps or floor displays, such as the Old Spice one with the little gingerbread man. So just to show you some visuals, I believe these were 15. A lot of this will be off the top of my head because I'm noticing that in the app right now, if I scan any of these barcodes, it's a third party seller, somebody in Ohio. I'm going to stop picking on Florida. They might be charging even more for this because I don't know, some people love gift sets. So these will be $7.50 starting tomorrow. If you consider the price of one razor at a pharmacy or even at Walmart, it's $10+. So you get a shaving cream and extra refills with that. Dr. Teal's mug will be $7.50, and it looks like there's lotions, a really large bag of Epsom salt, along with the Old Spice Night Panther. Interesting, $7.50 for that. And like anything that has like snowflakes or looks Christmassy, definitely open up that Walmart app and scan the barcode. You might be surprised. Now the Duke Cannon, which is a shaving specialty kit, that'll also be $7.50 along with Caress. Duke Cannon, Dollar Shave Club, products that are not Axe, Dove Men, they typically don't sell as well. So if you are into these newer brands, you can score big. This Dr. Teal's sleep set, which I think is glorious, $12.50 after a very busy Christmas. I even think I need this aromatherapy starter pack because it looks absolutely glorious. These adorable little stocking stuffers will be $1.50. If you like bubble baths or foaming baths, this would last you a little while. They also had lotions. Perfect little stocking stuffers. And, there's also many different perfumes that are part of this too. So if you wanted to get something special for you, or if you wanted to stock up on this for future gifting, this is how you can save big money. And I'm just going to show you guys some close-ups of some of these gift sets, and definitely look all over the store because people often pick them up. They might drop them into a different place or just put them back where, the body washes might be in a weird, goofy place. I know these are $10 for the Colgate and then the Schick disposable, so that would be $5 starting on Thursday. And with toothpaste for any of the dental care, definitely check the expiry date on the box. You don't want to buy something with a quick expiry date, especially if you wanted to keep it for next year. And then this, it's called Self Care Essentials by Onyx. $10 for this box of magic. If you are into skincare, something I've really gotten into the last couple of months, I think this is a great gift. And then we have the soft soap. It's either like the fall or Christmas ones. They are going to be 62 cents each, and it's soft soap, so this is probably going to get cleared right away. And don't forget to look in the end caps for different brushes, combs, makeup, anything that looks Christmas. Open up that app and scan it. And unfortunately, you have to do this sort of shopping in store. I would check what time your store opens if you want to go first thing. That's where you'll have the most amount of luck. And just look all over the store. We love these gift sets. That's it for this video, guys. Merry Christmas. Bye.